Hey guys, so quick update on BigCommerce. It is looking like it's finding some sort of support. It found support, at the, what is it close? At the 64, around the 76, and it's looking like it's gonna be finding support again right here before shooting up. I don't think that BigCommerce is gonna drop lower than this. I do think it's gonna find support here, maybe consolidate and then shoot back up. I am back in BigCommerce, another around 40K. Last time I bought BigCommerce around $81. I sold around 93 for I think it was like a $10,000 gain. I kind of sold everything and then put it into PLTR, and then I withdrew those 10K because you got to secure some sort of profit, right? But I do think BIGC is a really good buy right now. It did close above the former 74. Let me see, 74. Yeah, it did close before the former support. So I do think it's going to find support here. And I do think it's going to go back to 93. This time I am going to be selling again at 93. And then I'm probably going to take the profits out. And then I'm going to sell again if it hits the 106 mark again. So, I don't want to say I love Big C because you guys are going to take it in a weird fucking way. But yeah, BigCommerce is a good play.